Hey there, Inehub community. Welcome back to another exciting update in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into some thrilling news that's making waves in the crypto space. MemHash, a rising star in the blockchain universe, has just been listed on KuCoin World Premiere. That's right, KuCoin, one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges, is bringing MemHash to the forefront, and we've got all the details for you. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. So, what exactly is MemHash? MemHash is a cutting-edge project designed to revolutionize how we think about blockchain technology. With its innovative approach to decentralized storage and data integrity, MemHash is poised to become a game-changer in the industry. Think of it as a secure, efficient, and scalable solution for managing data in the digital age. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. KuCoin World Premiere is known for spotlighting high-potential projects, and MemHash has earned its place in the spotlight. By listing MemHash, KuCoin is giving traders and investors like you the opportunity to get in early on what could be the next big thing in crypto. Why is this such a big deal? Well, KuCoin World Premiere listings often come with exclusive benefits, early access, competitive trading pairs, and the chance to be part of a project's growth from the ground up. Plus, with KuCoin's robust security measures, you can trade with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to KuCoin, check out MemHash, and explore the possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. And hey, if you're new to KuCoin, use the referral code in the description below to get started. That's it for today's update, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Inehub YouTube channel for the latest news and insights in the crypto world. Until next time, happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.